Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a very delicious recipe again. This one is for muffins. So these are a little bit denser in texture, but very delicious, and they last for quite a while, so if you don't want to eat them all up at once. You want to start out with your white chocolate and you want to cut it into smaller chunks like this. Then you want to do the same with your macadamia nuts. Now you want to set that to the side. You want to prepare some butter in a bowl. And you want to go ahead and add your sugar to that. And then you want to separate 2 eggs. So you want to get the egg yolks in one little cup and the egg whites into another. So as you can see, this was not a good egg separating day for me, but I'm pretty sure that you can do a much better job. Yay, done. Now you want to go ahead and mix your butter and sugar together until they are a nice creamy texture. This works best with your butter on room temperature. And you want to go ahead and pour in your egg yolks and mix that really well. Next step, you want to go ahead and add in the sour cream. And again, mix until completely combined. Doesn't that look delicious? Now you want to add your flour to that. As well as your baking soda, and again mix until it's completely combined, but you shouldn't take too long with this, so as soon as it's an even dough, stop. Then you want to add in the chocolate and the nuts and use a spoon to mix that in quite evenly. Last but not least, you want to take the egg whites and you want to beat them up until they're nice and stiff, and then you want to add that to your dough as well and mix it in very carefully with your same spoon. Now you're ready to get your pan and fill it up. And this dough lasted for a bit more than 12 little muffins, so I did some additional ones. And then you want to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. And this is what your muffins should look like in the end. I promise they're very delicious, and as I said, they have quite a dense texture, but I did enjoy that a lot. And I hope you give it a try, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!